Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, January 5th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, this is kind of a wild market. I tell you, I think I said yesterday, I thought, well, it could go to $20,000, 20,000 today on the Dow, and needless to say, it did not. What we had was kind of interesting. Um, I thought we might get some follow through on yesterday's up move, but instead it opened just below where it closed yesterday, and then it sold off real hard here, and then it puts in a bull spike here and rallies toward the end. The Dow final closing was negative 43. I think, okay, and we're only 100 points from 20,000. So again, the never 20,000er traders are just jumping on this thing as soon as it gets within 50 points of that 20,000 mark. So they jumped on it again today, but it's not going down very far. The buyers are coming in. The smart money knows this thing's going to take off pretty soon and just cut through that 20,000 mark, and there's going to be a lot of money made when that happens. Hopefully, we'll make some money too. We did make money today. We had just shy of $15,000 in open trade equity yesterday, and we closed out just shy of 16,000 today. So we held our profits from yesterday and added about $1,000 to that. So that was real good. Happy with that. The only problem was in one stock. I was going to show you that in a second. We only got into three positions today. One's positive, two are negative, but one's really negative, and we're holding negative over $5,000 going into tomorrow. So we make 16, and we're holding negative over 5 going in tomorrow on three positions. But anyway, I'm optimistic about tomorrow. I think what's going to happen is, remember 3 days ago we had this big sell-off, bull spike down here, and then it comes back real strong near the close, and then we had a good rally yesterday, and I suspect that's exactly what's going to happen here today. We got lower bottoms here for 3 days in a row. This thing's going to rally tomorrow. Now, could it rally 100 points and get through 20,000? I don't know, but it could. We're only 100 points from there, and this is a good setup for a rally tomorrow. So I'm calling the Dow up. Keep fingers crossed. Maybe we can get through 20,000 tomorrow, but it's going to have to be a really strong rally to do that. It's got to go over 100 points. I'll show you some individual stocks. I'm going to show you the the hair puller first of all. This is DeGaz. You remember 4 days ago we bought this thing down here. It closed against us, and it had this huge gap up the next day, and then yesterday it had a little gap up. We took over $17,000 out of DeGaz. Just a fabulous trade. So we're out of it. It puts in a pretty narrow range yesterday, and then this morning it starts going down. Then we get this big spike right here, and what do? We end up getting back into DeGaz on the top of that spike, and of course it just wasn't going to hold up there at all. It sells off quite a bit there, and we're still long Degas, and we're negative $4.7 thousand, $4,700 in Degas. So yeah, we get $17,000 yesterday in profits. We, on paper at least, we give back 4.7 thousand today, but Degas is crazy, and it could go up tomorrow. I mean, we're not out of it yet. We'll just have to see. But that's ugly. Look at that spike. We bought the top of it there. That's definitely ugly. Not what we like to do in trading. I'll show you two more stocks that were what we like to trade go though. This is a new stock for us. That's FCX. That's Fremont. I'm having trouble. I don't have my glasses on. Fremont McMoran. Fremont McMoran. Something like that. It's a mining stock. Anyway, and 3 days ago we bought it down here. We got out yesterday. We took some good profits there. We got back in on the re-entry. It just screamed, and it pops up here just to get us out nearly the top of the market. And we take $3.5 thousand out of Freeport McMoran. FCX. Really good trade there. Really love that. And then the other one, this one we've been trading for quite a while. This is a Shake Shack. 3 days ago we bought that here. Big gap up tomorrow or yesterday that kept us in the trade, and we got out pretty much where it closed yesterday today, but we took another $3.5 thousand, $3,500 out of Shake Shack. So as I said, we had good trades today on our exits, and that's why we closed out nearly $16,000. So it wasn't a bad day, except for that Degas stock. We're not out of that yet. We'll just have to see what happens tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing up. See you tomorrow on Friday.